Are you tired of feeling like you're just not good enough for the girls that you're interested in? And do you want to know how to get any girl regardless of who she is, what she looks like, or who she's with? If your answer is yes to these questions, then you're in luck. In this video, we're going to show you 6 proven tricks that will allow you to instantly turn on any woman. We get it. It can be really hard to move out of your comfort zone when it comes to approaching and talking to women. This is why we've put together these 6 tricks that are guaranteed to help increase your chances with women. They're all based on psychological triggers, which makes them very effective. So get ready, because we're about to show you exactly how to ignite attraction in any woman you like. Number 1. Flirt with her. A lot of guys think they've got the art of flirting down. But here's the thing. There's a fine line between smooth flirting and coming off as a total creep, and a lot of them tend to forget that. This is why they don't get the attention of the women they're attracted to. So, to clear up any confusion about the art of flirting, let's talk about the basics. Flirting's foundations lie in making eye contact and flashing a smile. These are gestures that are simple, effective, and universally understood. And don't forget about humor. Every woman appreciates a guy who can make her laugh. It's true that different women have different tastes in humor. But what doesn't change is the fact that cracking a joke will make you stand out from the crowd of guys competing for a woman's attention. And if you think about it, even the most serious ladies enjoy a good laugh every now and then. But here's one thing to keep in mind. Humor is subjective. What cracks you up might not have the same effect on someone else. So, pay attention to her body language and cues. If she's laughing and really getting into it, then you're on the right track. But if she's not responding positively, maybe it's time to try something different. Now let's talk about using pickup lines, which is something most men associate with flirting. But honestly, they rarely give you the results you want when dealing with women. That's why instead of relying on overused phrases, it's much better to focus on being authentic. Start with a genuine smile, have interesting conversations, and keep things light and fun. But don't forget to pay attention to the flow of the conversation. It's really important to be aware of how it's going when you're trying to flirt. Number 2. Subtly show that you're confident. Confidence is a total game changer when it comes to turning women on. It's that secret ingredient that sets you apart from the other guys. See, women are just naturally drawn to a man who's got that self-assured vibe going on. But here's the thing. Confidence is not about being all loud and a show-off. What women really want is someone who knows their worth and radiates this quiet, unwavering belief in themselves. And by the way, let's not get it twisted. Confidence is definitely not the same thing as arrogance. There's a fine line between the two, and it's important not to cross it. Overstepping that line can hinder your ability to have meaningful conversations with women. Remember, arrogance, where you assert superiority over others, can have negative effects. On the other hand, confidence comes from self-belief and knowing you can achieve great things. It's the latter that women find appealing, not the former. Confidence is a remarkable quality. It doesn't require shouting or putting on a tough facade to prove strength. Your actions, words, and attitude speak volumes on your behalf, and they are far more captivating to women than any display of muscles or exaggerated stories. And let us tell you something. The way you communicate says a lot about your confidence, you know? Imagine praising a woman, but you do so while not looking directly into her eyes. It doesn't exactly scream confidence, right? And chances are she won't believe you because of that. Now, imagine saying the same thing, but while locking eyes with her and lowering your voice just a little bit. It makes a difference, right? It's all about that confidence. So remember to exude it subtly and watch how women react to you. Number 3, you showcase that you take good care of yourself. It's a well-known fact that women are attracted to men who clearly know how to take care of themselves. When a man invests time in self-maintenance, it shows that he has self-respect, values his appearance, and understands the importance of personal hygiene. As for your outfit, remember that simplicity is key. The goal is just to confidently present yourself and feel good about how you look. It's really important to understand the importance of smelling good too, you know? It's not just about looking good. It's also about smelling good. Because let's face it, not taking care of your personal hygiene can really turn people off, especially women. So don't be that guy who dresses to impress but forgets to take care of himself. Your cool clothes and expensive cologne are pointless if you end up smelling bad, right? So make it a habit to shower regularly, use deodorant, and take care of your oral hygiene. It sounds so obvious, but so many men are lacking in these areas. These aren't just tricks, they're the unwritten rules of the social game, you know? But it's not about changing who you are. Rather, it's more about showcasing and enhancing those attractive traits that already define you so women will notice them. Just strive to be the best version of yourself, and you'll see how effortlessly you start attracting the right kind of attention. And if you can't take care of yourself with something as basic as looking presentable, how can anyone trust you to take care of anything else? Number 4. You meticulously groom your facial hair. You know, there's something about the hairy look that just screams attraction and power. But it's not just about how it makes you look. Rather, it's about what it represents. A beard is like a symbol of confidence and masculinity that can really catch a woman's attention. It's all about that sense of self-assurance and maturity that it brings to her. Plus, there's something about facial hair that makes women drawn to it. It's like they're biologically wired to seek it because it's as if it symbolizes traits that signify protection and security. But let's not confuse a rugged beard with an unruly one. A rugged beard is all about being well-groomed and in control, never looking messy. Imagine a guy who hasn't shaved for a month. His facial hair looks all messy and uneven, giving off this vibe of neglect that suggests he probably doesn't care much about other aspects of his life either. Not a great sight, right? Now, picture another guy. He's got facial hair too, but there's a noticeable difference. His beard, despite being thick, is well-groomed and neat. It suits his face and complements his jawline. The contrast is pretty striking. You know this is the kind of look that gets women's admiration and makes heads turn. You can sense that this guy takes pride in himself and knows how to take care of himself. He values how he appears to the world because he knows it reflects his character and self-worth. That said, having a well-groomed beard is more than just about avoiding shaving. It's about regular trimming and conditioning. To keep your beard looking at its best, you've got to keep it clean and conditioned. The ideal stubble is the perfect balance between a clean-shaven look and a heavy beard. And guess what? It takes about 5 to 10 days of optimal growth to achieve that sweet spot. Did you know this length is universally appealing? Women from different cultures love it. It adds structure and gives your face that universally masculine and attractive appearance. Number 5. You practice chivalry. These days, chivalry is often dismissed and seen as outdated. But here's the thing. Chivalry is all about respect. And respect is something women truly value. But let's not get it twisted. Chivalry isn't about swooping in to save damsels in distress. It's about showing care and consideration without undermining women's strength. It's also about treating them with equality and kindness. Think of it this way. Chivalry is about walking on the more dangerous side of the sidewalk when accompanying a woman. It's giving her your jacket when she feels the chill. It's escorting her back home with her safety and comfort in mind. And it's being kind to children or pets in her presence. But why does chivalry matter in this day and age? By showing chivalry, you create an atmosphere of trust. It makes women feel safer, knowing they can rely on you. And let's be honest, there's nothing more captivating than a man who exudes a sense of security. It makes her feel that you're not just self-sufficient, but also caring towards those around you. Number 6, you impress with your body language. How you carry yourself, walk, and hold your posture creates the initial and enduring impression women have of you. But this is not merely about standing tall or avoiding slouching. The right body language that turns on women is about exuding assurance, confidence, and control. Without uttering a word, your body language speaks volumes, making a statement to women and commanding respect without needing to demand it. Now let's talk about the importance of posture in relation to your body language. Having good posture isn't just about showcasing your physical well-being. It also affects your mental health. See, when you stand tall, with your shoulders back and chest out, it sends a message of confidence and strength to the world and to yourself. And guess what? This boosts your self-esteem and makes you even more confident. It's like you start a cycle. Confidence encourages good posture, and good posture, in turn, nurtures confidence. Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel.